In this video, we want to look at graphing a non-linear function. In particular, we want to look at graphing this absolute value function. Remember that the basic shape for an absolute value function is just that basic V. It's got these two straight pieces to it. And all we're going to do is look at what's being done to the main absolute value function, because the main guy is just the absolute value of x. We want to look at what's being done to this function right here to see how we're going to shift this shape up, down, left, and right. Now when we look at our main function, we see that inside here we have a plus 2. Now remember, whatever is inside here, we do the opposite of that and we move left or right. So since this is a plus 2, we need to think the opposite of that, which is a negative 2. So that means we're going to move to the left 2 units, because that would be in the negative direction. We also see a minus 3 at the end of this function. This minus 3 tells me that I'm going to take my shape and I'm going to go down 3 units. Whatever number you see at the end here, you do exactly what you see and you move in a vertical direction, up or down. In this case, since we see a negative 3, we're going to go down 3 units. Now, keep in mind that our vertex started right here at 0, 0. So we would start here at 0, 0, except we have to do these adjustments. We have to go left 2 units. So come over here to the left, and then down 3 more units. So our vertex is going to start right here at this point, negative 2, negative 3. And this is going to be my vertex. Now, even though it's not written here, it's understood that the coefficient here is a 1. Since the coefficient there is a 1, we're going to use that as our slope on the right side here, and then we're going to mirror it on the other side. Keep in mind that it's as though we have this imaginary line right here, which will be our axis of symmetry. So whatever I do on one side of this axis of symmetry, I'm going to mirror that on the other side. So just put my points here going up 1, over 1, up 1, over 1, and so on. The more points you have here, the easier it is to draw a nice line. And then we're going to repeat that over here. And we have these nice points, and you see this nice V shape, the same shape that I had with my original function, except it's been shifted to the left 2 and down 3. So all we need to do is draw a nice curve here. Remember, you want to go all the way to the edge, and you want to put the little arrowheads at the end of it to show that we are going on forever in that direction. And then we do the same thing on the other side. And there you have it. The absolute value function that's been shifted to the left 2 and down 3 units.